And that person have received the proper care, and she's doing correct right now. So that's what I can do. We knew it could happen, and the probability is there.
A Quebec woman is recovering after an adverse reaction to the AstraZeneca shot. The provincial government is confirming that she did develop blood clots with low platelets following her vaccination, but she is now home. The first person in Canada to have a reaction to the shot, Quebec's public health director reiterating that the vaccine is safe.
It's a safe vaccine, even if there is a rare embolism or problems with blood in 1 to under 100,000 doses. What is important is that, even COVID-19 can give you embolic or coagulation problems. And the risk of having the disease and comparing to the risk of having this complication is very higher in the disease.
This as Quebec hits a COVID-19 vaccination milestone with 2 million doses administered and 23.5% of the population inoculated with at least one dose so far. Variants continue to spread with over 17,000 confirmed cases in the province, mainly in Montreal and the Quebec City region. The Premier extending emergency measures for the Capitale Nationale region, Chaudière-Appalaches and the Outaouais until April 25th, but maintains that even though cases are rising in Montreal as well, the situation is stable. The virus spreading among younger groups, ages 10 to 49, making up 56% of cases, and hospitalizations increasing as well.
The number of people under 60 years old going to hospitals is increasing. It has doubled compared to the first wave. So that is a change, a major change, and it means that until all people, including young people, be vaccinated, be tough and uncertain.
After anti-curfew protests in Montreal Sunday and Monday, the Premier acknowledging it has not been easy for young people, but the vast majority of Quebecers do support and adhere to public health measures.
I have a message for young people who have had enough of the pandemic. I understand that what you're going through. I know how important social life and friends can be at your age. I'm not judging you. On the contrary, we must recognize all the efforts you made in the past year. But more and more young people are getting sick, so please follow the rules to protect you.
In Montreal, Melina Giubilaro, City News.